Hello everyone, my name is Chef Aditi Govil from IIHM Vasai and today we are going to learn something about salads. Today I am going to make Waldrof Salad and Russian Salad. These are the two salads which are loved and very popular across the globe. Before starting the preparation of these two loved salads, let's understand what is salad. So salad is a combination of fruits, vegetables, meat, chicken, fish and all of them are combined into nice dressing and decorated with garnish. So according to this definition, we can divide salad into four parts. The first one is the base which holds the salad. The second is the body which are the main ingredients of the salad. The third one is the dressing which keeps the salad hydrated and it enhances the taste of the salad. And the last part is the garnish which decorates and makes the salad presentable. So, coming back to Russian salad and Waldrof salad, let me tell you something about their origin. Waldrof salad was introduced into culinary world into Waldrof Astoria Hotel, New York as a chef special in a charity ball, and because it was created in the Waldrof Astoria Hotel, it got its name from there. Now, the Russian salad. Russian salad, the original name of Russian salad is Olivier Salad, which is commonly known as Russian salad all over the world. It is a mix of all the diced vegetables and dressed in a nice mayonnaise sauce. Now let's start with the making of both the salads. So let's get started with Waldrof salad. So the main ingredients of Waldrof salad are diced apples, red grapes, walnuts, honey, mayonnaise and salt. So this I have made a nice base for the salad. So once after the preparation, we will present the salad in this bowl. So let's take the apples. Grapes. Mayonnaise. And honey, pinch of salt and then give a nice mix. This mayonnaise will not allow the salad to dry out and it will enhance the taste of the salad as well. Now I will add some of the walnuts. Give a light crunch to the walnuts. Walnuts give a nice nutty taste, nutty flavor to the salad. So as we have learned, the base, first part is the base, second is the body. The body of the salad is formed by apples and walnuts and grapes, and the dressing is the mayonnaise along with the seasoning of salt and honey. And now I'll do the plating, that is the presentation. Let's move on to the Russian salad now. So the main ingredients of Russian salad are diced potatoes, diced carrots and green peas. I have parboiled all the three ingredients so that they are easy to chew and not very raw also. Then we will be needing salt, little bit of pepper, chopped celery, honey and mayonnaise. So let's get started. First, let me make the dressing. So in Russian salad, the base I have formed with the shreds of vegetables. The body is formed by the carrots, potatoes and green peas. The dressing is being the mayonnaise, seasoning salt and pepper, and voila! So the Russian salad is ready.